Hi fifth graders, today I'm going to show you how to reply to an email. You are currently in Schoology, you've been doing your work in Schoology, and you'll need to get to Gmail. There are a couple of ways that you can do that. On your Chromebook, you have a Gmail icon down at the bottom, so you could click on that Gmail icon. I have Gmail bookmarked, so I opened a new tab and clicked my Gmail open. I have some emails that I'm saving. I use them as my to-do list, but then I can see that I have a new email from Mrs. Twinter. So I'm going to open the email and I'm going to read it. It says, "Good morning, Mrs. Hubbard." So that's her greeting. "I was wondering how to record a Flipgrid. I am having trouble figuring that out. Thanks for your help. Hope you have a great day." So we talked about email expectations. So Mrs. Twinter has included a greeting. She's asked a question. And then she's included a closing as well. So because she's asked me a question, she wants a reply. So it says, "I was wondering how to record Flipgrid." Now, I am going to click reply, and I'm going to start with a greeting. And instead, so I've got a couple of options. I could give her directions, I could put in a video, but I want to meet with her. So I would like to meet with you. What time works on Thursday? Then I'll do my closing. And I have my name down here. So now I'm going to click send. Now that I've replied to her and I've sent the information and I've asked her a question, I don't need this email anymore. So I'm going to use, there's a couple of things that you can do. You can click the trash can, which trashes it, gets rid of it, or you can click the down arrow, which archives it. An archive would, do you need to get back to this email? I don't need to get back to this email from Mrs. Twinter, so I am going to click delete. So I've been able to reply, and then I'll wait to hear from her for us to set that up. So that's how you reply to an email.